Melissa Taylor.
Every courtroom tells a story, some of justice, others of heartbreak. Today's docket unfolds with defiance, emotion, and truth waiting to be heard.
Good morning. Are you Melissa Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you have on your...
Oh, this is my son, Brandon Taylor.
Why'd you wear that this morning?
Because he's my entire world and he's messing me there.
Okay.
Melissa Taylor, a mother, a defendant, a woman at life's crossroads. Bringing her son to court isn't chance. It's a silent plea for mercy.
Ms. Taylor, this is your initial... No, you were here before. Did you get someone hired?
Ma'am?
Did you get someone hired?
No, I have contacted 4 different attorneys. I have the printout paperwork. I got all the information. They're extremely expensive. I've not been able to get the funds gathered for that.
Who'd you talk to?
I spoke to, I had it down
Where?
a month ago.
Where'd you...
Grab it in my phone.
Okay. Did you talk to some more since that last court date?
The last hearings.
Uh-huh.
You asked, you instructed me to get 3 quotes.
Mm-hmm.
That was what I did. I can get that turned into you after,
Okay. If I test you this morning, you can have anything in your system? Have a seat in the jury box. We're going to text. See, Mr. Rojas, you have Christian Kane.
That's the one that is competent, been bonded out. Can you tell me?
A simple test, yet everything's on the line. In this courtroom, one result defines trust. Fail it, and in seconds, everything crumbles.
To set it,
Oh, okay.
but we've never had,
Yeah.
really had that yet.
And was ordered to
Yes, ma'am.
And he brought it up.
Yeah.
Christian Kane. Okay.
You mentioned.
Are they here still? Good morning. Are you Christian Kane? So, Mr. Kane, I want to visit real quick before we go forward. We were here when you were in custody and had a doctor visit with you, and I made a finding that there needed to be some treatment for competency restoration, and then you've made bond. And so we've got to make sure that you understand everything. Are you currently under any treatment through Spindletop or any type of psychologist or anything like that?
No.
Okay.
Last I had from my own personal doctor was a Valium, which is a very low barbiturate, which is to help control severe anxiety. It's so low that it's 10 times weaker, I like to say, than clonopin, 10 times weaker than Xanax.
So let me explain something, Mr. Kane. Because we have a doctor's report that says that there needs to be held on.
See me, I waited for 2 months.
No, they did see you, and they already made the report, and I ordered
Okay,
that you go.
Why?
Well, because they're the doctors, I don't know. So, I'm sorry. What'd you just say?
My opinion, sorry.
I didn't hear your words.
They made a fool out of it.
That's what I thought I heard. So here's what I'm going to do, Mr. Kane, because I've got to make sure that you're safe, that everyone in the community is safe. And at this time, I'm going to revoke your bond and find that you are at large
Victorian
with,
and early graduate.
and so I'm going to, that we already have that order in place for competency restoration. There will be no bond in this case. I'm making that finding.
And there it is. Bond revoked. No freedom, no second chances. The judge decides it's too dangerous to let him walk. This isn't punishment. It's protection.
Based on that report, taking judicial notice of the court's file. You need to go back with the bailiff, sir. Yeah. Ms. Taylor? Ms. Taylor, you tested positive for amphetamines, methamphetamines, and ecstasy. And so at this time, I'm going to find that that is a violation, obviously, of your bond conditions, and I'm going to raise your bond in your case to $100,000. Well, let me look at it real quick. I'm going to...
One sentence, and her fate is sealed. Drugs in her system, judgment in the air. Compassion fades fast. In court, relapse isn't forgiven, it's recorded.
Let's see. In one of your cases, you're charged with assault on a peace officer, the other credit or debit card abuse. In each of those cases, I'm raising your bond to $100,000 in each case. If you make the bonds in those cases, you are ordered to wear a drug patch at all time, get it tested at the appropriate times, and then we will move forward with your case.
Can I ask a question, please?
Mm-hmm.
Am I about to be arrested and?
Yeah, you're going into custody right now.
Okay, I have a child.
You shouldn't be using ecstasy and methamphetamine. If you have a child, you can go back with the bailiff.
So I.
Go back with the
have
bailiff
not.
right now. Go back with the bailiff. Go with the bailiff.
My child is missing, and he's with a terrible person. He's the only thing that...
Ms. Holmes, you have Ramiro Reyes.
This is where law collides with heartbreak. A mother pleading as the bailiff leads her away. The judge enforces order, but who guards compassion? Justice fades, humanity lingers.
No, you don't. Just testing you. You have Nakia Brandon. Good morning. You're Nakia Brandon? Mr. Brandon, I'm going to have you tested this morning. Do you have your drug patch on now? Okay, so you're having issues that we've gotten emails that there have been some other issues. People wear drug patches all the time without having issues. So you got to figure out how, she said they showed you how to wrap it correctly and all of that. Have a seat in the jury box. We're going to get you tested this morning and make sure that there's nothing in your system. Then we'll get an announcement. All right, you tested negative, Mr. Smith, sorry. You tested negative, which is obviously good. You need to continue testing negative, but you've got to figure out how to make sure that drug patch is on properly at all times so it's testable, okay? And are y'all ready to make an announcement today, or do you need a little more time?
We need a little bit more time.
All right, any issues other than that, Mr. Smith? So I'm just going to do a normal reset, Mr. Brandon. It's about 30 days. Make sure you call, visit with Ms. Holmes before your next court date so we can get an announcement, okay? You're free to go.
Mr. Pucci emailed and said he'll be here about 10:30.
Ms. Vogan, Crystal Vogan. Good morning, ma'am. You're Crystal Vogan. And I will recall that bond forfeiture. And Mr. Lewis, Ms. Vogan's charged with theft of property. And what is the announcement?
Judge, I've gotten an offer from Mr. Nichols on this case. It's Mr. Hoffire's case. So I definitely want to get some mitigation information to him in
Okay.
review so we can just have recent take care of that.
All right, Ms. Vogan, any issues that you see? I'm going to reset your case about 30 days. Make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Lewis so we can see if we can get an announcement. Okay?
I don't want to apologize for being late.
That's okay.
The weather.
Mr. Lewis explained that you called, and so I appreciate that's the most important thing to do is just keep us informed of what's going on. Be careful going back.
All right,
Thank you. All right, Mr. Williams, come on up, sir. Good morning, you're Anthony Williams. Mr. Williams, it's very important that you're on time to court, okay?
Guess if I was in the restroom.
Okay. Well, how long have you been in the restroom?
I've been here since before 9.
Your court date is, your time for your court date is at 8:30.
Well, I thought it was 9.
All right. So when you get here, you need to take care of your business before it's time for court.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and this is your initial appearance. I'm going to recall that bond forfeiture. Let me find you on here just a second. Oh, there it is. All right. So Okay, so you were on bond and then coming to court, had some resets, and then you were rearrested because the bondsman went off your bond, and then you made another bond. Is that correct? Did you get a lawyer hired?
No, ma'am. But I got the check stubs that I started working. I just started working a month ago.
Where are you working?
IFL, Indoor Football League.
Mm-hmm.
Even I told you I was going to the UFL.
Yeah.
But other things happened and I wanted to go to the IFL
Okay. Where's that?
in Boston.
In Boston?
Yes, ma'am, correct.
Where's your check stubs? What do you have going on your shirt there?
My bad. I'm sorry. Open.
You think looks probably appropriate for something to wear to court?
I'm sorry. My apologies.
So when did you start?
I started last month. Well,
Okay.
beginning of this month.
Yeah. And y'all just get paid, is it every week?
Yes, ma'am.
Once a week?
Yes, ma'am, correct.
So have you talked to some lawyers?
The one I talked to, but Mr. Rojas, that was my attorney.
Mm-hmm.
And I've been kind of trying to contact him,
Mm-hmm.
but he said once I made the bail, I have to look elsewhere.
You have to try to hire, I mean, you could hire him, just like we've talked about before. You've been given the instructions, you gotta hire a lawyer, or at least try to hire a lawyer. So I'm gonna reset your case, and the thing is, you're coming back and forth. The sooner you get this taken care of and try to get someone hired, the better. You're gonna have to keep coming back for court dates. So I'm gonna reset your case 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, make sure they get that reset notice that you get today. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to, then at least get on the phone, call, make appointments. Some of them will do appointments by phone. Talk to them, see how much they charge, at least 3. Bring me those names when you come back, and then we'll discuss your options, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that reset notice. And I'll recall that bond forfeit.